Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you're into woodworking, whether you're building furniture, repairing cabinets, or just love making strong, clean joints, then you know how crucial precision can be. A poorly aligned dowel can throw off an entire project, and let's be honest, nobody has time for that kind of frustration. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Eleon self-centering dowel jig, a tool designed to take the guesswork out of creating perfect dowel joints. It promises speed, accuracy, and ease of use, all in a compact, thoughtfully designed package. I've put it through its paces on real-world projects from frame assemblies to leg reinforcements, and I'll be sharing not just the good, but the real, including a few moments that made me stop and reevaluate how I was using it. So, if you're looking for a reliable edge in your joinery game, stick around. This one might be worth your attention. Let me start by saying I wasn't sure what to expect when I picked up the Eleon self-centering dowel jig. At $34, it's not the cheapest option out there, but it's also not breaking the bank. It falls right in that sweet spot where you hope you're getting something that feels premium without overspending. And honestly, this thing surprised me. Right out of the box, the build quality stands out. It's made from a durable aluminum alloy, which gives it a solid, almost industrial heft, but without being too heavy to handle. The edges are smooth, no sharp corners that'll snag your skin, and the blue finish gives it a clean, modern look. I appreciate when a tool feels like it's built to last, and this one does exactly that. You can tell the materials are chosen with longevity in mind, not just cost cutting. One of the first things I noticed was how large and wide the jaws are. At first glance, I thought, is this overkill? But after using it on a few projects, mostly frame joinery and cabinet alignment, I realized the extra width isn't just for show. It actually adds stability, especially when you're clamping onto larger stock. The clamp itself has good tension, and once it's locked down, the jig stays put. I drilled several dowel holes on a set of 2x4s, and even under the torque of a powerful drill, there was zero movement. That kind of reliability is huge when you're trying to get clean, precise joints. The self-centering design is a game changer too. It automatically aligns with the thickness of your material, so you're not constantly measuring or guessing. For weekend warriors or seasoned woodworkers alike, that kind of simplicity saves time and frustration. Now, let's talk about precision, because that's really what a dowel jig is all about. I'll be upfront. While the jig came pre-calibrated and performed flawlessly on my first couple of boards, I did run into a slight alignment issue later on. One of my joints came out just a hair off, and after some troubleshooting, I realized that the guide marks on my wood didn't perfectly line up with the drill points. A quick check revealed the jig had shifted slightly, possibly from being bumped on a bench. But here's the thing, the Eleon jig actually comes with instructions on how to recalibrate it. That's something you don't see on every budget-friendly tool. Once I spent 5 minutes adjusting it, accuracy was spot on again. So, while it's not infallible, the ability to fine-tune it yourself adds a layer of control that's incredibly valuable, especially for more critical projects. The included drill guides, 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch, cover most common dowel sizes, and they snap in and out smoothly. I've used other jigs where the guides feel loose or wobble, but these fit snugly and stay aligned during drilling. I especially appreciated that when using a 12-inch bit, the guides held firm without any noticeable deflection. That's a big win for deep, clean holes. The elongated jaws also give you more surface contact, which helps prevent tipping when drilling near the edges of your workpiece. I used it for installing table legs and reinforcing a headboard frame. Both required long, straight dowels, and it handled both tasks without a hitch. The wide clamp opening means you can work with thicker stock too, which expands what kinds of projects you can tackle. That said, it's not all perfect. While most users, myself included, find it stable when clamped properly, I can see how a less than firm setup might lead to wobble. If your workpiece isn't flat or your clamp pressure is uneven, the jig can shift. So it's not entirely hands-off. You still need to be mindful of your setup. And while the self-centering feature works great in theory, it's always smart to double-check alignment before you start drilling. I've learned the hard way that assuming everything's perfect can lead to rework. But these aren't flaws in the tool so much as reminders that even the best jigs require a little operator attention. Nothing's magic, but this one comes close. Overall, the Eleon self-centering dowel jig has earned a permanent spot in my toolbox. It's well-designed, durable, and delivers consistent results when used correctly. The added ability to calibrate, it gives it a level of flexibility most similar tools lack, and the quality materials mean it's not going to degrade after a few projects. Whether you're building furniture, repairing cabinetry, or just trying to make strong, invisible joints, this jig makes the process faster and more accurate. Is it perfect? No, no tool is. But at $34, it offers exceptional value for the performance and peace of mind it brings. I'd recommend it to anyone who values craftsmanship and wants a tool that's built to last, not just get the job done today. If you're ready to nail your next project with precision and ease, don't just drill down, level up. Smash that like button if this review helped, and subscribe for more honest, no-fluff tool breakdowns. Every click keeps the workshop running and helps me bring you the real talk you need, one perfectly aligned joint at a time.